Sanibonani futhi bawulandeli nabathandi bayi-WTV sahlezi no Brakb sikhona la esigodlweni ekhaya kadabula amanzi inyanga muni inyanga kuthi kodwa inyanga kutwisisa njengoba sihlezi lana bafowethu sihlezi futhi asikhululekile sincebelekile ayikho into esihluphayo sipholile makhaza abathazama ukuthi aqhaqhazeze umlomo hayi sithi hey madoda ngisosha mina ngibona nawe nje ngigqokile nje ngisempini impela ngilwa nenhlupheko ngilwa nendlala ngiyayizonda indlala angiyamzonda nomuntu onuka indlala nje onuka indlala mara uyazenzisa angasuka nje lapho uzomunye Brakb athi hey prof afone prof ngifuna ungisize ngithi okay no problem ngakusiza kodwa mara inkinga yakho hey uhlale ekudeni ngithi usuka kuphi wena athi Witbank
my guys no come on let's no guys from the UK people from Australia come here
Germany 13 hours umuntu ahlezi nento afuna ukuzofika
surprised me
sengithi mara kahle utshele omunye
and then the problem is not mine ukuthi nje ucabanga ukuthi oh tripping in there so from Witbank to Nkangala. I'm saying to myself daughter there are people from overseas that come here when I complain about hey siteni lapho
manje as we speak
kuna 5 minutes from here to Witbank
manje kunabantu Brakb ezisikhuluma basuke bathi Iceland ezisikhuluma manje basendizini manje so umuntu osuka la kunabantu abasuka eSpain as we speak
I know about those
so umuntu asuke eCape Town la 2 hours flight hey prof ya info ya far nithi hey ngiyanicela nje yekelani kungifonela uthi prof ngila eJozi 45 minutes if a driver from Joburg ukuzala nathi inkinga usekudeni I won't tolerate that one mawuqala uthi
politics
mawuqala uthi kanjalo ngiyadrop
maseka ma politics but guys just be mindful of the fact that there are other people from far further places like you wouldn't even believe ukuthi baphuma kuphi labantu laba just have at the end of the day if ufuna into it doesn't matter whether it's in China or it's in Japan if ufuna ukuvuka if ufuna ukuphila you go you know I think maybe inkinga ukuthi as people abasiza abantu thina we want to hear inkinga yini not some other problems that have got nothing to do nenkinga yakho. I'm not trying to be harsh or rude guys but just be mindful of that fact. Imfihlo yentaba prof masong trainer back in the days before ngifika level 3 sase ku level 1 we went many times entabeni ngeke ngikhuluma ukuthi besenzani kahle lapho but I always find ukuthi people talk about imfihlo zasemanzini imfihlo zani but we never talk about imfihlo yentaba ukuthi kunani why inyanga sithanda ukuyentabeni angikhulume ngokugubha imithi la that one we know that's fine sikhuluma ngezinye izinto I was talking to my sister the other day and my younger sister she says man I had ngesinye isilwane so bakhuluma ngaso wathi so uyasazi na ngithi no angisazi ngithi kunento ebhaya there's so many things entabeni somehow I don't even know mina you know what I mean? And she's like what do you mean with I'm like kugcwele lapho kugcwele it's just ukuthi different areas have certain things and inyanga maziya lapho they could go there maybe to hunt ezinye izinto whatever but angifuna ukukhuluma ngifuna ukuthi inyanga yangempela ekhuluma prof imfihlo yentaba kunani lapho imfihlo zentaba iziphi
ngiyabonga Brakb let me tell you something amandla asentabeni makhulu ngendlela eyisimanga kunama creature kunezinto eziningi entabeni that's why intaba ngisho ukuthi it's too dangerous than emanzini because emanzini kunezinto ezifew but entabeni kunezinto eziningi one kunezipoke entabeni ezihlala khona ethi uma ufika lapha umelanga vele uye lapha urude ukwatile ungazazi I remember one day ngisentabeni eLusaka bangakayakhi lezazini even nabantu abahlala maybe eLusaka do you know Lusaka in Mamelodi they can tell ukuthi la ntaba iyakhuluma kunama creatures ukuthi mawufika la entabeni they can take you
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
bangakwazi ukuthi ukuphi even your ithuna even thambo
Yes.
lingatholakala.
Yes, you're right.
So intaba ijule ngokuthi mangiyofuna izinto zasentabeni ngifuna ukuphakamisa umuntu ngendlela yokuthi ngimfihle kule impoko zasentabeni ongimthulele inhlupheko yakhe entabeni kwenzeka izimanga ngani ngoba ngisuka ngiconnecta nabanikazi bentaba kunabantu abafela entabeni kunabantu abamimoya namandla ngendlela ecakile ukuthi they can destroy you, they can solo you without being recognized by someone. So that is why it is very important for someone to, before you do things, you try to clean the person before you went with him
Oh, okay.
on
Okay.
the mountain.
So akufani nasemfuleni where you can just go.
No, to
and then
clean yourself there. No.
So that's why you have to clean yourself before.
Because of you must connect with the scripture. Because of those things in the mountain, they're fighting like I don't know. I don't know how can I put it. Angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani and ngendlela yokuthi umuntu akwazi uyi-understand. Intaba inamandla, especially uma ngithi mina kunesithwalo semvu, kunento ezithile kumele siye kuphi entabeni. Ingoba sisuke siyoconnecta nalabantu basentabeni. Sithathe bona, sikunike bona ngoba banodlame kakhulu baphinde bayashesha ukwenza izinto. That is why mangentabeni example anginemithi kuphela. Myself also, I must be clean so that when I enter that mountain, angikwatelanga uKB, angikwatelanga uzibanibani. So uthi moya wami ukhulekile. If nginengqana nomama sendlini, first what I'm doing kumele ngithi mama ngiyaxolisa. Ngisahamba ngeno KB sentabeni. So ngivutela ukuthi ungixolele so that ngikwazi ukuyenza lento yasentabeni in a proper way so that that person uKB akwazi kuba right. So umuntu omsizele entabeni akafani. That's why uzobona inyanga zilala entabeni. Siyafasta lapha entabeni. Asisisutha amapapa whatsoever. Mina mangizoqala ukubona izinto ngabona into engakazi ngeke ngikhulume namhlanje on the television. But what I saw in that mountain ngaqala lapho ukukhuluma ngezilimi. Ngaqala lapho mina ukukhuluma ngahlala entabeni BraKB. Nginentaba ngisazofuna one day as we are speaking about mountains. I will take you driving you siye kuphi entabeni okuthiwa kuseGoromani. iGoromani ayingenwa noma ubani. Even when you enter that place, even the Sangomas, a few of them. The late uGobela wami, spiritual father, on Christianity side. Ngoba yakhumbula ngiyathandaza. Owangisiza ukuthi ngihlambuluke ngingaboni ngamathambo kuphela saye entabeni. So that's why ngithi ukuthi into le ngaqala ukuhlola mina ngomoya ngayithola entabeni ngo1997. So masifika lapha awungeni noma ubani, but lento ngayibona KB is too much. I can't say it.
But I remember you always used to say masifika lapha ukuthi ungakhohle abasifuni labantu la.
Yes.
Ungakhohle abasifuni labantu la. Ungakhohle. Is it everywhere or is it mhlambe in certain parts? Because I don't remember you ungayikhulumi lento leyo. Siya this place abasifuni labantu la. Abasifuni labantu la.
Yes.
Is it everywhere or are there places where you can be welcome if umuntu nje ufike entabeni?
No, because those people they don't like noise. That's why now self umele ube
Quiet.
quiet. Ungabi nezinto izinkulumo ezikulandelayo emuva. Because of the possibility to enter that one, don't come back.
Okay.
Akunandaba ukuthi kusebusuku, akunandaba nokuthini. So abafuni umuntu because they are not people. They are not human being. Izinto azilawulwa ulikhuleni, azilawulwa inyanga, ziyazilawula zona. So imazithi KB asinifuni la, asinifuni vele. So you must do your thing fast and poo.
Okay. Angazi if I should ask this question ngoba inyanga zizombulala nawe uzombulala. Ngakhuluma ngokuzingela or ngeke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sizovala ke lapho. Unfortunately I tried, guys. All right. So basically you're saying ukuthi it's pretty much more dangerous than umfula.
Yes.
And there are so many things like so ama-owner entaba you must kufanele uthole permission from them,
From them.
and kufanele usithobe, and you must be clean, your pure, I mean your heart and spirit must be pure,
Yes.
mawuya lapho, or else you're a dead man. All right, siyabonga.
Wonderful.
Just a bit from my side. I'm gonna do a segment on one-on-one about Intaba as well, because that's where I learned some of them. My teaching, about 30% of it in Pumalab. Obviously, there's things I cannot talk about, but just wait for my one-on-one. Prof, siyabonga.
Ngibongile bafowethu, ngiyabonga Bra KB nakuma new subscriber, ngithi qhubekani bafowethu ni-share ama video ni subscribe, and to help those people abaloku bazama ukwenza ama million ngegama lami. Please stay alert. The scammer is still there. It's not 1%. There are many. So stay alert. Thank you.
Siyabonga.